Hey, today we're going to talk about Stone Ridge open-end mutual fund to invest in Bitcoin and how the SEC filing opens the door for other mutual funds. Guys, big money is coming into Bitcoin. We're also going to look into the chart, see where we're at right now and where we're heading. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here to Group Crypto Black. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Guys, I know over the weekend it was diving. I'll tell you it was going down. But if you bought the dip, guys, you're pretty happy right now at the moment. So I know people actually bought some Ethereum yesterday in the 14s, and now Ethereum is in the 1500s. They're like, man, I made pretty much my money. Pretty much made more than my money back in regards to a lot of profits that they made off of that. So a lot of people are averaging down, buying those dips, and then once it get over to a certain number, man, you're like totally full profit, even off of a large dip. Even if you bought high and you get a large dip, people that's averaging down, they're buying it, and as the price rise up, not even that much, just by simple averaging, they're making in good profits. So just think about that right there for a while as well, guys. But man, Bitcoin made a little comeback. We're still down, obviously, from all-time highs. But man, I mean, whew, again, if you're averaging down, you're fine. I want to look at this. It says Stone Ridge open-end mutual fund to invest in Bitcoin. SEC filing opens the door for other mutual funds to add BTC. So a lot of people say, oh, just to be safe, invest in mutual funds. You'll be fine. Well, you got your Bitcoin, you invest in mutual funds. They come on, they get some Bitcoin too. But let's look at Bitcoin for right now. Bitcoin right now currently at 48,409 $500, right? I made over 40% last night, or actually yesterday. I went last night. Yesterday, I closed out before the day was out anyway. Yesterday I made over 40%. I bought this dip, man. I put it in a long, over here, because you can see I'm looking at my fibs. I'm at 44,102. I put a long in at about 44, about 44.5, about 44.4. Like it was going close to 40, like 44.450, something like that. And I closed out, and I made 40% profit. And did it keep running up? Absolutely. But I closed out because I'm looking at the I'm looking at pretty much my historical data. I'm looking at the last few days. I'm saying, okay, we're closing out, around 40, about 46.5, 46, about 46.5, 46.4, so I closed out around 46, about 46.3 and some change. I wasn't right up to 47, but I said, you know what, I'm fine. I'm over 40% anyway. So, hey, make 40% in a day. That's not nothing to laugh at, right? So, guys, I mean, you guys can see right here, Bitcoin, we did that run. Look, 44,102, right on that fib. And, we wicked down here, obviously, but we came right back up. And you guys see, we're right above that fib. We got to close above, we can close above 48.4. But where we at right now, we can close above about 48. I say about 48.5. We can close above 48.5. Then I'll be happy, for the next few days. But we did go up to about 49,454, as you guys can see. So unless something crazy happens, and let's see what the technicals are saying. Unless something crazy happens, then at the end of the day, guys, it looks like a strong buy. All right. So fundamentally, but March is March. That's all I'm gonna say. March is March. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. But yeah, guys, I want to share a little tool with you guys too before we go into this here. We'll talk about Bitcoin and mutual funds and everything like that. It's a good tool here. It's called DCA BTC. A lot of people always talk about, Bitcoin. I wish, if only I would have invested much earlier. I put $3,000 or $4,000. I can't buy a whole Bitcoin. Right? But what people don't understand with this right here, this dollar cost averaging is great. Now I tell people all the time, I dollar cost average with Litecoin every 2 weeks. All right. So it don't matter the price of Litecoin, I dollar cost average inside that as well with Litecoin. with Bitcoin, I do take the bigger chunks, But I mean, I was doing that as well. I was doing that for Bitcoin for a long time as well. But Litecoin, I would a dollar cost average every 2 weeks. So if you look at it like this, right, a real easy number. So let's just say you put in $100 in Bitcoin, and we're going to change this every 2 weeks. People get paid. It's very, very simple, modest thing, right? You can, it's nothing over the top, nothing like that. Just $100. So you say, okay, I took $100 and I'm going to invest into $100 into Bitcoin. And for the last 3 years, so when the bear market, when the bull market ended, we got in that bear market. So for the last 3 years, you turn around, you say, okay, you know what? I'm going to put $100 into Bitcoin every 2 weeks. So when I get paid, $100 go into Bitcoin I want to buy, right? For the last 3 years, you would have put in a total of $7,900, right? Which don't seem like that a lot, right? Over the last 3 years, don't seem like that much. So you'd invested you would have invested $7,900 into Bitcoin. Today, guys, Bitcoin is $48,491. So just looking at this right here, guys, you will have more than one full Bitcoin with just $100. $100 a week. I mean, $100 every 2 weeks. So $50 a week. $100 every 2 weeks, dollar cost averaging, Bitcoin up 526.46%. That's how much your investment will be. And you will have more than a Bitcoin. You have over a Bitcoin. So that's what people got to understand with dollar cost averaging, what it does. Okay. That's what I want you to think about. You'd invested $100 every 2 weeks, 3 years ago. There you go. So when people say, oh, it might be too late for Bitcoin, it's not yet. Not yet. It's not too late for Bitcoin yet. Yet. That's all I'm going to say. Yet. When Bitcoin reaches six figures, and start going to 300,000-400,000, it's $100. Yeah. Because the volatility, the higher Bitcoin go in a longer time frame, the volatility is going to get smaller. It's going to shrink down. You got to look at those charts right there, the volatility chart. It's going to shrink down, the volatility. So you want to start having your Bitcoin now, and while the volatility is high, like me, I can go in, I can grab 40% out of putting a long in on Bitcoin, and then there I go, because the volatility is there. So I don't make this video too long. So yeah, guys, so that's just something I want you to think about. So people, you don't got to throw a whole bunch of money into it. You can just literally dollar cost average over years. Like I said, time in the market is better than trying to time the market. So let's go right into it. So it says asset management firm Stonebridge has filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for its open-end mutual fund to invest in Bitcoin. This is a big deal. Stonebridge filing opens the door for every mutual fund to add Bitcoin, said a fellow asset manager. Now, Stonebridge wants its mutual fund to invest in Bitcoin. Stonebridge Trust filed for an N-1A with the U.S. With SEC. And last week, the filing, which expected to become effective on April 26th, relates to the Stonebridge Diversified Alternatives Fund. This is bullish news, guys. The fund seeks to generate total returns from diverse investment strategies that we believe have the potential for attractive returns and are diversifying from stocks and bonds. The following details, these strategies include reinsurance, market risk transfer, style premium investing, alternative lending, single-family real estate, healthcare, royalties, and Bitcoin real estate, my baby. All right. For the Bitcoin investor strategy, the following, the fund seeks to generate returns by gaining exposure to the price of Bitcoin by selling put options on Bitcoin future contracts. This strategy may also invest in pooled investment vehicles such as registered or private funds that themselves invest in Bitcoin. So they're gonna be all over, in all the different sectors of investing in regards to what Bitcoin has. All right. So it says Anthony Scaramucci, the Mooch, founder of another asset management firm, Skybridge Capital, which itself has about $500 million worth of Bitcoin in its Bitcoin fund, commented on the following last week. Important development in Bitcoin. Stonebridge filed with the SEC to become the first open-ended mutual fund to buy Bitcoin. He wrote, the Mooch also sees heavy demand for Bitcoin from his clients and expect the BTC price to reach 100K by year end. I agree wholeheartedly. noting that Stonebridge will be able to start buying Bitcoin on April 26th when their prospective goes effective. He opened, this is a big deal. Stonebridge filing opens the door for every mutual fund to add Bitcoin if they want to. Just imagine every mutual fund add Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man, this is what we've been talking about. This is what we've been talking about. You know what I'm saying? This is what we've been talking about. People, oh no, oh, it's a scam. Scam your ass over there. You know what I'm saying? We over here about to get this money. We over here getting it. All right? Riding around, I'm getting it. So Stonebridge founder Ross Stevens also founded the New York Digital Investment Group, a Bitcoin-only financial services firm. Early this month, the firm filed for a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, ETF, with the SEC. Stevens recently said that he sees a wall of money coming into the asset class. NYDIG already has over $6 billion, with a B, in Bitcoin, and the firm expects to have over $25 billion, with a B, in the cryptocurrency by the end of the year. I mean, it just makes all the sense. All these different big money hedge funds and everybody just coming in throwing billions of dollars, not one, not two. They want 25 billion. That's just one. What's just one entity? Bitcoin is not like fiat where they just print more. Yeah, you buy this, we'll print more. All right, or we'll add more shares. It doesn't work like that. Bitcoin is a scarcity asset. It's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin ever going to be mined. And the last Bitcoin gonna be mined gonna be in the year 2140. And you got all these funds saying this year we're putting in billions of dollars, different firms. You see what I'm saying? So this is why we keep telling people, look, this here is the gold rush, and you only gotta walk out west. You gotta do no work. You just dollar cost average in. Or if you got a little bit of money, you can put a little bit of money in. It's not financial advice, but what I'm just saying is the writing's on the wall. And this is a time where retail could actually early. They beat the big money before. They beat the big money in this. The people have been in this for a while, man. Sitting pretty. I got a lot of my friends, man. We're sitting pretty right now. We chilling. So I don't want to preach to people. I just want people to understand the opportunities in front of them. Because once that stimulus bill hit, that $1,400 hit, a lot of money will go into Bitcoin. A lot of money will go into crypto. And I'm in there like that. But guys, I hope you guys are taking it all in. Bitcoin, you buy those dips. It's at 48.4 right now, 48.450 right now. But guys, make sure you guys check out our website, www.cryptoblack.net. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, you want to learn about crypto, you want to learn about cryptocurrency, you want to learn how, where to buy, how to buy it, different things like that. You want to know how to stay away from the scams and phishing sites and look out for different type of scams that's out there. If you want to learn, about decentralized finance, how to put your money, how to put your crypto to work for you so you can get paid passive income. You don't have to worry about signing up the next person, sign your mom and your brother and your sister up and this and that, and you get $10, $20, none of that. You take your money, you put in your crypto, and you be able to actually get a nice return on it every single some of the joints. You see a return coming in every day, pretty much every 10 minutes. You'll see a return coming in. Like places like Celsius, they pay out every single Monday. Aber as well. So it's nothing like waking up and you seeing your phone, you see the messages coming. Hey, you just got paid your interest for the week. So those type of things there, man, definitely change your life. All right, and there's a whole other thing, a lot of other things we go over inside the in that beginner's course. If you guys want to know about want to report to tell you, okay, look, fundamentally and technical analysis and historically, these are the days that crypto is up or down, or or these are the type of coins. This is what's going on this month, and you want to buy. This is the type of coin that we're looking at. You want to buy, then based upon this fundamental thing that's happening, then you know, you can download the report right below, guys. And I mean, we knew this. Like, I mean, I can't tell my subscribers everything, you know, because we have a report that people you know, do a lot of time getting the data information together for this report. I can't tell people this stuff for free, you know what I'm saying? But we knew this. All this we knew. We was out. You see what I'm saying? And I dropped little clues in my videos as well, but I can't give it all to you. You gotta pay for it, baby. But yeah, guys, you guys want to download that DCG Oracle report? I mean, the Mastermind report. we knew. Why you think I did a long yesterday? It was going crazy. Blah 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 blah. Last 4 days. Blah 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 blah. And I go do a long. I knew already. I knew. You see what I'm saying? So, but yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black, baby. All right. And but yeah, guys, we'll see you guys in the Facebook group. We chop it up. And shout out to all my DCG group, DCG people out there, the whole group. And man, we getting it, man. This year, this is what it's about, man. This bull run, this is what it's all about. Guys, we changing lives, changing families. I'm seeing people that are coming in to crypto, and you know, they make 100%. You know, they make it more than people that's been in crypto for a few years, and they coming right in. They make 100% returns in a matter of 48 hours on some joints that, you know, that's being called out in DCG. So, you know, it is what it is. Some people want to, you know, you're trying to save $200, they missing out on 2,000. You know, but that's the reason why. That's the reason why people call it. You know, that's just how it is. You know, you can't be scared. Money don't make no money. But yeah, guys, we out here, baby. Peace. I'll see you guys next video, man.